Okay, so let's go ahead and now try to damage this police officer 2. For that, in the scripts rifles folder, open up the handgun script, and right here on this handgun script, what we will do, we will add a reference to our police officer 2 script first of all. So we will just copy that, paste it down below, and right here we will say police officer 2 because this is the script name, and we will name this as police officer 2. And then whatever we hit contain the officer 2 script. So right here make sure that you type officer police officer 2 as well. Okay, so if there is the case, then let's copy this else if condition and paste it down below. Then we will say if the police officer is not equals to null, then we will give damage to the police officer 2, and that will be it. So now if we save this, let's play the game. Let's pick up the handgun right here now and let's take it out. Now let's try to shoot this police officer. So there he is. Now as you can see, we can damage the police officer. And now let's kill this one as well. So now as you can see, we can damage both of the police officers. Now with this run, in the next video we will add the FBI officer inside our game. So for that, catch you guys in the next one.